Hey, what's up you guys? So today I have a little haul for you guys from Ulta Beauty. I actually got the vast majority of the items in the haul for absolutely free. So Ulta Beauty does these things where they run gift with purchase deals. If you buy something $21.50 or more of value from their Ulta Beauty collection, you can actually end up getting a gift with purchase for absolutely free. And they say that the value of this is like $75 or something. In my opinion, no, it is not worth $75, but you know, it is a very good starter kit. And for somebody who is like getting into makeup, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. I do a lot of thrifting, I do a lot of eating, I do a lot of grocery shopping, so I do it all. I really appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much. First item is the only one that I actually paid for, and it is the Ulta Beauty Gold Magic eye gels. They're literally just under eye patches. It's $22 for 15 pairs of eye patches. The shape of them is very odd. That's why it looks like this right now, but they are super comfortable on the eye. You can tell that I have like sort of darker under eye circles, and I do say that these under eye patches are helping somewhat alleviate the eye like darkness underneath. But for 15 pairs, $22, I will not say that it is worth it. You can definitely find better eye patches. I have some 30 pairs for $18. I'd say that those are a better deal than this. If you put them in like the refrigerator or something and that get them cool, it is pretty nice on the under eye area. I only paid like $18 and something because it was 15% off. And then we get right into this that they claim is like $75 worth. They had two different options, one in this like burgundy maroony color and then another one that is offered in this color. And the bags are pretty spacious. You can like see that you can store a bunch of different things. They are pretty nice bags. Like you can definitely see that they're high quality. So I will say for a makeup bag, it is pretty good. Makeup bags do cost you like 20 something for like a good quality one. So the first product that they have in here, and it is 5 milliliters. It's their Matte Veil Eye Primer. Everything is from the Ulta Beauty collection. Do with that what you will. And then it does come with this like beauty blender. Mine did come with like this dent. I hope you can see that. And it is like kind of like, it looks like it's been through it. Plus it has like a couple of like notches and stuff, which is kind of gross. So they also offer this tiny little itty bitty brush for you, and it's for like doing eye makeup. This does feel like it's high quality. The bristles are very soft and they feel like nice on your skin. They don't shed or anything, so this one I'd say is actually a pretty nice value. Then you have this Matte Veil Primer. I looked at the reviews online. People are saying that it's like pretty decent, especially for like a beginner. Definitely all of these products are pretty good for like beginner. This is a mascara that comes with this, actually probably the highest value thing, because in my opinion a mascara is a mascara. Like it doesn't matter if you get like a Too Faced mascara that's like 40 something, or if you get like a dollar store mascara that's like $1.25. A mascara is a mascara. And you get this lip stain. I actually have tried this one and it definitely stains, and you are left with a bright red lip for a good amount of time. It does not come off even if you're like drinking or eating or anything. This is a very pretty color, especially for this time of year, like Christmas season. It doesn't say what color, but it's 1.5 milliliters in total, so you don't get too much out of it, but because this is how much is left after I put it on one time, so you will get at least 4 or 5 times out of it. And you can even put a little bit on like your cheek or something, and it out, and it will look really nice. This is their cream blush. You can put this on your lips too. The color is actually really pretty. I put it on my lips. It was really nice. I put it a little bit on my cheeks. It was really nice. It gives you a natural tone. This is how much you get. It kind of reminds me of like the Rhode pocket blushes look also. Very natural looking. Like the finish is very natural and blends out. The only thing I will say is that the smell of it is like disgusting. Yeah, I don't know. It smells really abhorrent. I don't like this product just purely because it smells like clay and chemicals, and it's not a very good smell at all. One of the very last products that we have is this tiny little lip gloss thing, and it's a shimmery pink lip gloss. You might think that it wouldn't necessarily work against my skin tone, but it is so sheer that it actually, I think, will be flattering on everybody. It is very sparkly. You want to go on like a night out or something, this is a very cute option. I put it on, it's very sheer, it's very glossy. It does not last the longest, but most glosses don't last for an hour or two, so I'd say in that regard it is pretty good. The very last item that we have is this 5 Pantone eyeshadow kit, and it's okay. It's like very child's makeup reminiscent to me. None of the like actual products, like this is one of them, and then like it does not really have the most color payoff. You can see that here. So I'm just gonna swatch all 5 for you guys. It does not really have the highest color payoff at all for any of them. Like you can see that that one like barely shows up on my skin tone. I'm gonna switch arms here, and I think that the colors are really, really pretty. That one just does not show up at all. So the colors are really pretty, they just don't show up that much. There is like a lot of like chalky, yeah, those two just don't show up at all. Like I can barely see them even in person. Like on camera it might be a little bit better. The ones that I put on over here, these top 2 definitely are a lot more showing, and that makes sense because they're darker. Overall though, I'd say that the value of this in my opinion is not $75. They're okay for something that you get and you know you give to like your child or something for like Christmas. In that regard, it's okay for them to like play around with different kinds of makeup products. In terms of like, is it a good quality makeup product? I don't think so, but it was free, or at least it was free with purchase, so in that regard, like you can't complain too much. That is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and I will see you next time. Bye.